In this video, I'll show you how to use the Move command in AutoCAD to quickly reposition objects with accuracy. First, type Move in the command line and press Enter to start the command. Next, select the object or multiple objects you want to move, then press Enter to confirm your selection. AutoCAD will now ask you to specify a base point. Choose a reference point on the object, such as a corner, endpoint, or center, depending on where you want to grab it. After selecting the base point, move your cursor to the new location and click to place the object. If you need a more precise result, you can type an exact distance or coordinate instead of clicking manually. This allows you to position objects accurately without guessing. The Move command is one of the most commonly used tools in AutoCAD and is essential for editing drawings efficiently. Practice using different object snaps with the Move command to improve accuracy and speed while working on your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.